done is remarkable. You know, that is so amazing. So every film carries a thought and a meaning, and therefore I would like to, you know, the chapter on contemporary cinema will be on Iran.
Wow, I didn't know that. Good.
Yeah.
DC.
Hi sir, my question is to Hirani sir. Hirani sir, मुन्ना भाई MBBS के नेक्स्ट पार्ट हमको वेटिंग मतलब ये रहेगा, लेकिन मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि इन दिनों हम देखा जाए तो साउथ की जो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री है बहुत अच्छी तरह से काम करे, लाइक RRR, बाहुबली या पुष्पा, इन जैसे मूवीज जो है बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रही है। RRR को ऑस्कर भी मिला है। तो मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था कि कहीं बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री इन सब के बीच में कम पड़ रही है या पीछे रह रही है?
मुझे लगता है आज हम जिस काम के लिए जमा हुए हैं उस काम की ही बात करनी चाहिए और कुछ नहीं। लेट्स पॉइंट योर क्वेश्चंस एट दीस टू जेंटलमैन। उसमें नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए हमें।
Yeah, very good afternoon, sir. We also did not have earlier much material about Hrithik Roshan, but whatever some of the information we got during our students' days was he was very master in using telephoto lens in his movies. That was we heard, but we did not have much resources. I mean, if you want to study how to use telephoto lenses in the cinema, you have to watch. That was we heard. I'm not sure how much it was.
I don't know, because I'm also a cinematographer. I don't see that. Actually, it's the opposite. He uses what we call a wide angle lens a lot more than a normal director would. So that was his peculiar thing. An 18 mm lens. Suppose you have to take a close up also, he'll not go to a telephoto lens. In fact, he'll use a wide angle and go very close. That was his distinctive style. Most of the time. I mean, there are no rules like that, but most of the time, I would say if you have to emphasize is the use of the wide angle lens. Very, very interesting ways.
Yeah, coming to Bhupendra sir, it's congrats. You are tracking whatever the legends and other things, bringing out books. But before contributions, what is the mechanism that you will be going through? Which makers or which celebrities book has to be? Because unfortunately, what I wanted to bring is 2 years back we had centenary year of V.K. Murthy sir, but it missed out. Even in IFFI, it could not be celebrated for whatever the reason, and we were expecting at least in Bombay circuit it will be happening, but nothing it happened. But how to track that one and bring notice to the concerned persons? That was my answer. Thank you.
As far as V.K. Murthy sir goes, if there is a writer who can approach us with a proposal that he would like to write a book on Murthy, we can definitely consider. So there are proposals that come from people. They write to us that I would like to write a book on this subject, and we invite the manuscripts from them. Then we have a book committee that sits and decides if this book is worthy of being published.
Please give us an example of V.K. Murthy sir.
Right.
But going forward, the mechanism how that publication will track that somebody's centenary year or something, how that is mechanism is tracked.
Usually it's the authors who approach us, because people keep tab of whose centenary is coming. So when they approach us, we consider their proposals and then take a
In
decision.
the division, there is no mechanism.
No, within the, you see, we invite proposals. People write to us.
नज़र सर, यूँ तो मैं इसी टीम से हूँ, पर मेरा मन किया कि ये सवाल आपसे पूछूं। ये किताब के पन्ने पलटने में उनकी पत्नी के कुछ चिट्ठियाँ थीं जो उसमें थी, वो जो खूबसूरती से लिखे गए पत्र थे, वो इमोशंस जो थे, वो उनकी फिल्मों में कितना झलकते थे?
Towards his wife?
Towards his wife, there were letters.
So all of that, you know, he's known to revere the feminine in his film. In fact, no director I think has revered as much as Ghatak. Just, you know, I mean, to make films with the very central characters, so he had this kind of huge, which is why the title is, if you see the title, this is sort of, it's trying to give the essence of Ghatak in these three words. You know, the first is Ma, the second is Uma, and then Padma. Padma is the river, but Ma and Uma. So he thought of motherhood as the ultimate, you know, form of So his affection. Now that story, which I have not sort of hesitated or shied away from, because one has to face his relationship with his wife was very wonderful as an artist, but as a person there were a lot of things that he had to both had to go through. This is actually about how art can affect your personal life of two very good individuals.